Morning all. I've come up with a new way of replacing rockwool. If you've seen my other videos, you'll know that I created a method which uses a single paper straw surrounded by clay balls. So this way is more reusable. It uses plastic straws, and you just put a bit of paper in one of the holes at the bottom, and essentially you can reuse this. It just fits into the net pot like that. The paper goes in there, seed goes in there, and we'll show you how to make one. It's dead easy. Right, so first of all, I'm using a couple of plastic straws like this. Cut them into pieces so that you have enough so that the length is just shorter than the net cup. You want to be able to have enough space to put in some clay balls to block out light, which is very important when using hydroponics to avoid algae. Take some sellotape, put it over the top like that. And then you just roll it all up. Okay, now that fits in like that. You may want to give it another wrap of sellotape just to make sure that it's really secure, because you don't want it to be falling apart. You are going to be reusing this and you want it to be stable. And that is pretty much it. Take a bit of paper, as before, pick a side, let's see, we'll use that middle one there, prod it in, just make sure it's in. You can then see that that middle straw has got paper in it. Put the seed into that area and you're good to go. You're good to germinate, and eventually that can go into your net pot and continue growing. Anyway, let me know how you get on in the comments, and see you next time.